Hello, YouTube. I haven't been around in a while. I guess I've been pretty busy. My hair's grown a bit long. I've been busy. Just, how about losing my job? Yeah, that was fun. No, not fun. Well, I lost my job. I was delivering parts. That's what I did. And what really sucked is I got I got fired. I got fired for having baggy pants. Of everything, I had fired for having baggy pants. Without warning. They didn't even give me a chance to correct having baggy pants. But I even wrote a nice letter. Literally a nice letter. Because I'm not going to write an evil, sadistic letter. But I wrote it to my boss. Which, I was working at this place with my uncle. And I'm hoping that he'll let me pass it on. So I'm going to email it. It's going to be fun. Then, and hopefully, I'm not hoping for the job back. Just hoping he hears what I had to say. I have some really good news. I haven't been on hormones in over a year and a half, and it sucks. Bad. But a few days ago I ordered more, and I'm kind of impatient and I want them, but it's been a long time. I'm finally kind of get to be myself again. On the other hand, I got a new camcorder. It's just about the same as the other one. It's just a newer model up. Also, my friend, he and his wife were breaking up, they got back together. So I'm happy for them. I'm just cautious, because I don't want to see my friend hurt again. I love him. He's my best friend. But I am looking for a new job. I don't know where I'm going to get one or what I'm going to do. And no, I didn't buy the new camcorder. So don't blame me for that. My mom stole mine. So, she bought me a new one. Because she liked it so much. I guess that's it. I pretty much updated and touched on everything. My hair's really long. Really like it. That doesn't work so well for job interviews, I guess, but I'll find a way to deal. Me is hiding around the corner. Other than that, I got a new TV. Really nice 30-inch screen TV. I love it. It hooks up with my computer, so I can play video games on that. At least computer video games. Oof. My room's a mess, so I won't bother showing you. It's 4 a.m. No, 5 a.m. Terrible. I need to sleep.